Hey kids, hi, can I have some of those? Silly rabbit, tricks are for kids! Ah!
Fuck it, Fruit Loops are probably just as good.
This one needs a bit of setup and help, and I think we have enough people to do this tonight. This is the most evil song I've ever written. We're going to divide this audience into three groups. And people over here, you are the sex group. If I point to this side of the room, I need you to all scream out, "Sex!" Can you do that? Awesome. This middle of the room, you're going to be the drugs group, so let your little straight edge ideas go. And when I point at you, I need you to scream drugs. Can you do that? Drugs! We played at Syracuse last night, straight edge capital of the fucking world. We had like one guy, drugs! Then he got his ass kicked. Anyway, over here we have the Satan group, the most evil group of all. I want to hear some Bruce Dickinsons, I want to hear some Rob Halperds, and I want to hear some Tom Arias. Let's do it now. Satan! Satan! Awesome, all right. Wait, I'm still torn by the weakness of the sex group right now. I guess we need some people from over here to... we need some drugs to help the sex. Alright, let's try this again now. Alright! This is called What Your Parents Think All Your Music Sounds Like. Kill your parents, kill your teachers, kill yourself. Sculpt a statue of the devil with your feces. Shit fucked up beer. Shit fucked up beer. Go
There's murder and corruption, there's sorrow and there's anguish, there's torture and there's torment, and there's news and there's news. There's business suits and bullies, there's travesties and traffic, there's genocide and homelessness and plagues and corporate greed and fuck you! The money is eating a flower! Fuck you! The money is eating a flower! Fuck you! It's a goddamn flower! And the money is eating it! And it's killing its fucking son! There's fascists and there's fat cells, there's hellfire and there's hailstorms, and evil men with evil minds keep doing evil things. There's trench coats and tiaras, there's crude oil and colonics, there's STDs and escargot and WMDs and fuck you! The goose is doing a dance! Fuck you! The goose is doing a dance! Fuck you! It's eating some bread and now it's doing a dance! Sweet Jesus is doing a dance! The internet wants to love you. The internet wants to make it all better. The internet wants to hold you close and caress your hair and bite your fucking nipples. What? There's bankers and there's borders, there's conflicts and collisions, there's agony and effigies, despondency and deities, there's bird flu and there's bomb threats, reactions and recessions, there's blasphemy and bigotry and tragedies and hate and fuck you! The monkey is riding a pig! Fuck you! The monkey is riding a pig! Fuck you! Just look at the monkey! Really look at the monkey! I said look at the goddamn monkey! Fuck you! The pig is doing a goose! Fuck you! The dance is riding a flower! Fuck you! The monkey is eating a body! The internet is a big one!
There's a hair on my soap, and I don't think it's mine. My roommate must have used it, cause I see his soap is gone. It was just a sliver yesterday, and now it has passed on. I feel for his predicament, but still it isn't fair. Just cause he used up his ivory, why should I bathe in his hair? There's a hair on my soap, a hair on my soap. Can't rinse it off, can't scrape it off. I don't know how to cope with this hair on my soap, this hair on my soap. Just thought I'd take a shower, but I've given up all hope. The water's pouring down on me and splashing in the drain. The shampoo's running in my eyes, I'm wincing from the pain. Can't deal with the horror of this most disgusting find. This sample of his DNA my roommate left behind. I look around the tub, my other roommate's soap is there. It's shiny white and barely used, devoid of pubic hair. So I use it and put it back where it's supposed to go. And I think that it's the perfect crime, but little do I know I left a hair on the soap, a hair on the soap. Well, at least it's less disgusting than to find one in your scope. There's a hair on the soap, a hair on the soap. The cycle goes forever, and I don't know how to cope. There's a hair on the soap, a hair on the soap. Even in the yuppie bathrooms where they hang it on a rope, they'll still find hair on the soap, a hair on the soap. And no one of us is safe. Hell, I bet even the Pope has found a hair on the soap, a hair on the soap. Could be from somebody's balding head or from their anal slope. There's a hair on the soap, a hair on the soap. Could be from a person, from a dog, or from an antelope. There's a hair on the soap, a hair on the soap. If you ask me if I like it, I'll just have to tell you nope. There's a hair on the soap, a hair on the soap. I'm running out of rhymes now, and I really got to grope. There's a hair on the soap, a hair on the soap. There's a hair on the soap, there's a hair on the soap. There's a hair on the soap, a hair on the soap. There's a hair on the soap, there's a hair on the soap.